Once upon a time, when there were no vehicles or electric lamps, a village along the hillside used to rely on a woman named Nisamma from Villarada Panchayat in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, for all childbirths and postnatal care. Aged 103, Nisamma is as fit as a fiddle. As she has no major health problems, she is as energetic as she was at a young age. For the hillside villagers, this grandmother is their beloved Kutti. Well, before the time of birth suits, water births and other birthing choices, and also before the vital contribution made by the medical field to labor and postnatal care, Nisamma, fondly called Kutti, has cut the umbilical cord of more than 5,000 newborns after delivering them. This midwife has seen the joy and celebration of birth in thousands of families. Nisamma's house is in Katipara Chingli in Villarada, a hillside little town in Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram.
ഈ മുത്തശ്ശി ഈ വെള്ളറട ഗ്രാമത്തിന്റെ ഉൾത്തുടിപ്പായിരുന്ന ഒരു കാലമുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Villarada residents were dependent on midwife Nisamma for childbirth and postnatal care. She started living here at a time when wild animals used to roam around here. There were no hospitals or medical facilities anywhere nearby. That was when Nisamma took up childbirth single-handedly.
മറ്റു സൗകര്യങ്ങളോ ഒന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്ന ഒരു സമയത്താണ് ഈ അമ്മച്ചി എല്ലായിടത്തും കയറി പ്രസവം എടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു ചുമതല നിർവഹിച്ചിരുന്നത്.
In modern times, most people depend on hospitals for labor, prenatal and postnatal care. In modern times, most people depend on hospitals for labor, prenatal and postnatal care. Private hospitals and birthing hospitals offer complete packages these days for delivery and postnatal care. With no package systems or any formal education in medicine, Nisamma has helped more than 5,000 people to deliver their baby. Being a hillside village, the area was full of wild animals a few decades ago. With no apprehensions about the wild animals, Nisamma rushed to reach out to the pregnant women in their trimester during their labor, be it day or night. The last delivery Nisamma attended was in 1979.
അമ്മയുടെ മരുമകളാണ്. അമ്മയ്ക്ക് ഒരു മകനേ ഉള്ളൂ. എൻ്റെ രണ്ട് പ്രസവം അമ്മ തന്നെ വീടെടുത്ത് അന്ന് ഞാൻ
I am Amma's daughter-in-law. She attended both my deliveries. Amma has been to many places in this region for delivery and postnatal care.
ഇപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും വയസ്സായെങ്കിലും അമ്മയ്ക്ക് അന്നത്തെ കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ വേറെ ഒരു മരുത്തുവത്തിൽ ആരും ഇവിടെ ഇല്ലായിരുന്നു. ഈ അമ്മ തന്നെ ഇവിടെ പഞ്ചായത്ത് ഒരുപാട് സ്ഥലത്തിൽ പോയി പ്രസവം എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത് നമ്മളെ അമ്മ തന്നെ.
The long list of women whom Nisamma helped to deliver includes Pushpam, her daughter, and baby Sarojam, her daughter-in-law. Nisamma had served families in Villarada, Nilmamudu, Cheriakola, Pannimala, Kuripuvali, Kadukwa, Kombram, Ganapati Thullu, Kutali and Arukuji villages. On understanding Nisamma's expertise as a midwife, government authorities even offered her a job. However, owing to her commitments to the family, she could not join the government service.
People used to come home and call me in times of emergency. Be it day or night, I would go and attend the woman. I also went to places which were very difficult to reach.
This grandmother, who has 8 children and 18 grandchildren, is lucky enough to see the 4 generations after her. Despite the minor hearing loss, eyesight problems, mid-age related problems, Nisamma is hale and hearty at 103. Nisamma, a strong woman and an expert midwife with decades of experience, is happy that many organizations, including the State Library Council, has honored her. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.